Are you looking for an easy way to remove someone from Facebook Messenger without them knowing? In this video, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Messenger application and then tap on the person that you want to remove. After that, tap on their name at the top left. And then scroll down to the bottom and you'll see an option called Restrict. If you want to remove someone from Facebook Messenger without them knowing, just tap on Restrict. So if you restrict someone, their conversation will be removed from your chat list, and you also won't get message notifications. Also, they won't see when you've read messages or your active status. As well, that person will never know that you restricted access because Messenger will not notify them. Just tap on Restrict at the bottom center to simply restrict them. And now that person is restricted on Messenger. And if I go back to the chat list, you'll see that the conversation is no longer in the chat list. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.